Hi, welcome to this tutorial about Google Drive. Today I'm going to show you a few basics that you'll need for our class. To start with, log into Google Drive. If you've never done so before, just go to drive.google.com and use your UB email and password to get in. Once you're in Google Drive, this is the interface, and you won't have all this stuff because you haven't started your drive yet. Google Drive is basically a place in the cloud where you can put anything that's digital, and in addition you can create new documents, spreadsheets and presentations, even drawings, and share them with others to collaborate. So what we're going to do is have a folder that you can hand things into me and a folder where I can hand things out to you. So you'll have two folders for this class. First of all, let me show you around the interface. Where it says My Drive right here, if you click on that, you'll see any folders. If you haven't created any yet, you won't see anything yet. But that's where you're going to create a folder to share with me. To do that, you're going to choose Create, Folder, and then put your name and CEP 506. Create that folder, and then it will be right under here where it says My Drive. So if I look for that, here's the folder right here. When you click on that, right now it's not shared with anybody because it's just your folder. No one else will be able to see it. But if you look over here where there's a little person plus, this is where you can share your folder. And what you're going to do is put in my Google username, which is ncook1329@gmail.com. And that's my username. Choose Share and Save, and that folder will then be shared with me. So anything you put in the folder, I will be able to see. So that's how you create a new folder. Now you want to go get the folder that I shared with you and put it in your drive. This is your drive. So to do that, click on Shared with Me and find the folder that I shared with you. Actually, it will look like this. CEP 506 class folder. So when you see that, click on it and then choose Add to My Drive. When you do that, it will go into your drive, so now you'll have two folders. One with your name, like my folder right here, and the folder that I just shared with you. So that's sharing of folders. And we'll be all set then. The next thing we can do with Google Drive is we can make documents and collaborate with each other on the documents. So if we look in the document that I created in our folder, so this is our class folder, and I put a document in there. In doing that, we can all see this document. When you click on it, we'll all be able to type on it. You'll be able to click in, find your name here, and you'll be able to click and write in there, and I'll know that that's your work. Once you click in and write on this, all of us can do that. We can then comment on each other's work by just highlighting something and choosing comment over here. When you choose comment, you click on it, and then you can write a comment about whatever's in that box. When you choose comment, there it is over there. So that's how we can add to one document and all be on one document to share our work. That'll be it for now. Google Drive does so much more, but this will get us started.